Latino unity in a time of crisis. One of the things that I'm struggling with right now is that the Trump administration makes me look partisan, and I'm not. I'm a capitalist. I believe in free markets. I'm socially liberal, but I've always supported a pro-business agenda. However, I've dedicated my professional career to the economic success of Latinos, and I know how much the Latino brand matters to all of us, whether we want to believe it or not. The reputation and image of Latinos in America affect our career opportunities, our access to capital, and the educational resources available to our children. Now, I'm politically moderate, but I made no secret about the fact that I detest what's happening right now with ICE. I don't like it as a Latino, I don't like it as an American, and I don't like it as a human being. Military helicopters, masked men, children in zip ties, whether you're a Republican, Democrat, Independent, we all know this is wrong. Check out this video.
Well, we got word that ICE is about to show up at our job, so we went from about 40 employees to about 10 or 12 left today. There's about 4 or 5 real ones left that couldn't afford to miss work. They're just risking it. I told them to be looking for my navigator if the ICE shows up, because I'll be picking him up. I might be a redneck, I might be Republican, but I'm all about my Mexican people. I'm a Texan, man. If you believe in the Bible, if you read the Bible, you would know immigration, they had to do it then. It's all right, man. People just looking for better lives, man. You can't hate on that.
I thought it was important to show that a white Republican Christian from Texas, who I'm sure voted for Trump, is saying with impunity that regardless of his politics, he does not support what the administration is doing right now with ICE. Now, this guy isn't an anomaly. He's simply someone who can separate what he voted for from his principles, and he knows what is right. And I think this is an important discipline. I read somewhere that 65% of Latinos in the United States were raised Catholic. And perhaps you know that the Pope himself has been uncharacteristically direct about what is happening in American cities in the name of ICE, and imploring bishops in the United States to be more vocal on this issue. So no matter where we stand politically, we all believe that we're doing the right thing. But make no mistake, the people who support what ICE is doing will be on the wrong side of history. If there's one thing that I hope Latinos understand from this video, is that politics are important. However, they shouldn't be more important than family, friends, or faith. The idea of the Latino brand isn't about supporting one party, but about overcoming our political biases by focusing on our shared values and uniting during times of crisis. If you want to learn more about the Latino brand, leadership, and building wealth, follow me for more.